Today we talk about how can you cancel or delete your account on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on personal here information, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on delete or here cancel or delete account. So then here can you cancel account here, and here can you delete it here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.